Located in the heart of the Roanoke Valley, Roanoke Oral Surgery is dedicated to providing our community with gentle, personalized care. There is ample parking to accommodate our patients, including handicapped and van accessibility. Our spacious waiting room employs a state-of-the-art check-in system, allowing our patients to be seen in a timely fashion. There is ample seating for our patients as well as friends and family. Our highly skilled office staff is readily available for your assistance. Roanoke Oral Surgery utilizes the most up-to-date technology in radiographic imaging, including three-dimensional cone beam CT, to maximize diagnosis and treatment of our patients. Intraoral scanning is available to our implant patients to optimize their final restorations. Our board-certified oral surgeons operate in 4 state-of-the-art operating suites and 6 treatment rooms, utilizing top-of-the-line equipment to maximize our patients' safety and comfort during their treatment. Asepsis and cleanliness is paramount. We are equipped with the latest sterilization machines to ensure the surgical instruments are pristine for your procedure. Our team of surgeons, nurses, assistants, and clinical staff ensure the highest level of care. We utilize the same industry standards employed by hospitals and surgery centers during your treatment. Our post-surgical patients are closely monitored by our staff in our comfortable recliners during their recovery period. Here at Roanoke Oral Surgery, we welcome you to our state-of-the-art surgical facility, and our team looks forward to the opportunity to care for you.